Hey guys, it's me Vasily, it's my friend Teddy. Today we'll be magnet fishing from isolated island here in Pirita. As you can see, we have people on this side, on that side, and we are located on the small isolated island here. So let's do magnet fishing. Pull it. I don't know if it's lost or... because there are rocks here below as well, so it makes it... yeah. Okay, first find of the day. Yeah, some metal bit here. So metal is here. That's a proper piece of metal. Yeah, it's heavy. Yeah, first find of the day. Cool. Yeah. Yeah. Hey mate, look what I've got. It's like some metal, I don't know. Oh, look, fishing lure. It's awesome, look. So, I have some... yeah. You see, wanted to go normal fishing, but I told you, if you magnet fishing, you don't need to buy equipment. It all comes by itself, you know. Cool. There is lots of stuff that is hidden here, you know. Stuck? Okay. Let me check. Okay, give me some time, okay? I'll pull the magnet and come. Okay, more of the crab metal. This is just a small bit. Okay. Let's take it out. Okay, cool, we made it. Yeah. Try to get both of magnets, yeah. And let's reattach them on here on the land. So yeah. It's like a door handle or... yeah, looks like. Yeah. Yeah, this is like a door handle lock. This is the old one. I think this is from the old mansion, you know. Yeah, it's rusted, you know. Yeah, it looks like, because it has been like made, handmade, you can see. It's not something like... it was made like handmade in factory. It's old factory, you can see it's not the same, so yeah, it's old. Cool. Yeah. And here goes the boat, you know, from Pirita. So yeah. Because we are not far from this historic place, Birgitta. Just like 2 kilometers from here. I don't know, it depends, I didn't check their prices. There are different boats you can rent from the Spirit harbor, so you need to check, because I'm not sure. But it's a good experience. Oh, look! Even with small magnet, you do find some stuff. Yeah. Nice. Wow. Let me check it. Yeah, looks like some old battery. Definitely. Okay, let's try with 2 magnets. Okay. But did something attach? Yeah. Maybe. Because if it's something heavy, we can pull with 2 magnets. I don't know if he gets a grip of it. Yeah, just... Yeah, sure. Yeah, that's the one. Okay, here we found some nice piece of metal. Teddy found it and together we pulled it out. Teamwork. Magnet fishing. Okay, what you got? Okay, yeah, nice one. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Yeah, it might be military because look, it's closed. It has been corroded, so the foot is not good. Oh look, I found some metal. Some crap metal. Yeah, let's find more metal. Yeah, this is much better place. Definitely a better one. So, yeah, so we can throw here, there, everywhere. Cool. Cool. Okay. Yeah, I'm also stuck. Maybe there's... Okay, just wait. Shit. Fuck. We did it! Yeah. So let's just show the finding. So everybody can check on YouTube. So yeah, this is the coin we found. The magnets were stuck by a huge stone over there. Yeah. So that's all for today's magnet fishing. Yeah, it was fun. Yeah, very fun. Sure. Yeah, take it off. Yeah. So don't have gloves. So cool. There you go. Here we go. 2 cents. 2 cents. Yeah.